Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending 2024 recap video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and to create the trending 2024 recap video editing, we're going to use the template on CapCut. So we are going to go to the templates menu and then search for the 2024 recap. Just type in 2024 recap like this, and there will be a lot of templates for you, and you can choose the template that you like. Wait guys, now it's still loading. Okay, and for instance, I'm gonna go with this one, the 2024 season. Alright, and I'm going to click on use template. Then I'm going to replace the videos in this template with my own video. I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery guys, and as you can see, you have to prepare 58 items from your gallery. Okay, you need to prepare a lot of videos, right? Okay, and 58 items have been selected, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and this is how it looks. Okay, and you will be able to change the music. If you don't like the music, you just need to click on the audio, and then you can choose the audio that you like. But I'm just going to use this audio because the audio is already good. Okay, and then you'll be able to change the text as well. If you want, just go to the text, and then you will be able to change it right here. Just click on edit, and then you can edit the text. You can edit the color, the font, the align, and it's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then once you're ready to save it to your device, you can click on the export button, and then you can click on export without the watermark, so the CapCut watermark will be removed from your video. Just click on export without watermark, and the video will be exported. And after the video has been saved to your device, you will be able to share it to your TikTok or your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending 2024 recap video editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video guys.